Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about maintaining wood surfaces. It's something we don't talk about a lot, and it really frustrates a lot of people. So a lot of people will do decks, they do wood siding, and what they do is they just two-coat everything all the time. Every time they go out, it's 2 coats on the floor, 2 coats on the railings, 2 coats on everything. That's not what maintenance should be about. Once you've either stained a deck, a log cabin, wood-sided home, whatever it is, then what happens is you want to maintain that coating. We don't want the coating to wear away to where it goes to nothing again. We actually want to maintain it. That's what maintenance is. We're going to maintain the coating. A lot of people are familiar with furniture, boats, that kind of stuff, where you stain it, you put on a clear coat, you maintain the clear coat, and it protects the stain underneath. We don't use clear coats outside, so we have to maintain the coating. And to maintain the coating, the one thing we're going to do is when we first do a project, whether it's a deck, log cabin, wood siding, whatever it is, a vertical surface or horizontal surface, we're going to do 2 coats on everything. So once we do the 2 coats, we're good. Now we fast forward 2 or 3 years, and if we're on a horizontal surface like a deck, that floor is going to wear. But the verticals, and you can glance over here, the verticals, what happens is these verticals are going to take twice as long to wear. Any vertical surface is going to take twice as long to wear. So what happens when we go to do the maintenance, we don't want to 2-coat everything, because then if we do that all the time, these verticals look so dark. They don't look the same. It's like building coat over coat, whereas the floor gets washed out and then you're going to put 2 coats on, it's going to look different. To make it look the same, the floor, the horizontal surfaces, the benches, the railings, they will wear twice as fast, meaning when we come back, we do half as much on the verticals. So if we do 2 coats on the floors, we do 1 coat on the railings or 1 coat on all the verticals. And then that'll make it look even. That's maintenance. Let's say we're doing a log cabin. Say this is the house we're working on, okay? And we're doing a log home or a wood-sided home. If the sun is hitting this side of the house all the time, but it's not hitting the opposite side, 2 coats on everything first time, but the maintenance should be 2 coats on the sunny side and probably 1 coat on the opposite side or the southern side. Now, what do we do to get this to where we're going to stain it for maintenance? It should be just an easy clean. If you stained and you put a coating on top of the deck or the siding and you've maintained it and you've done a good job, then any organic growth, mold, mildew, algae, dirt, debris is on top of the stain. This is a light clean, real easy, and recoat. As long as you've used usually a penetrating type product or a maintainable type product. If you use a film forming product that goes away as soon as it gets scratched by a dog, your foot, a lot of traffic, then that's different. But if you're using a maintainable product, and there's a video about maintainable products as well, then you should be good to go. So to summarize that, what we're talking about between vertical and horizontal surfaces are the horizontal surfaces are going to wear twice as fast as the verticals. So when we come back and we do the maintenance, we only want to do half as much on those verticals. So 2 coats on a floor, on a horizontal surface, 1 coat on a vertical, and that's how we would do it. Some people will stain to keep everything looking really good every year. If you're going to stain every year, then you do 1 coat on the floor, skip the railings 1 year, or the verticals, and then do them the second year when you do it again. And a lot of times those maintenance type projects are usually hardwoods like Ipe and some of the exotic woods that are out there. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and now you understand how better to maintain your coatings on your wood surfaces. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I got the Wizard of Wood from my peers in the industry, and being the Wizard of Wood, I provide education and have been for well over 20 years and over 10,000 contractors across the nation. So thank you for watching the video. I'm glad you are. But if you want more information and you want to become like the Wizard and have the knowledge that the Wizard has had and it teaches in classes, please visit www.wizardofwood.net. You will get our manual, we get our online classes and everything to help you take your career to another level. Thank you for watching the video.